And this was how I bumped into this guy on Sunday after service. I was just, doing my thing, pressing my phone, feeling so good about the service. I didn't know someone wasn't feeling good like me. Just watch this.
What do you mean? Why did you bump into me like that? God, this is so hurting. What's wrong with you? Today is Sunday for crying out loud.
But honestly, in this part of the world, this side of the world, sometimes we don't believe that some people are not just fine on Sundays. I'm too used to Sunday morning service or Sunday services that I am always uplifted after each service. Like, I think some people have issue with not making themselves available to really be blessed on Sunday. Like, how can someone just be feeling so bad after Sunday service? I don't know whether he was in church or I don't know, I just bumped into him, so I was just trying to find out what this guy's problem is. So let's just continue. You get what happened.
Is anything the problem?
Seriously, I did not see
You saw me for crying out loud. This is hurting. Now. What is it? Today is Sunday. You are supposed to be happy. Everybody just dismissed from church. Is anything the problem? You're just walking like someone that has lost his head or something. You're going through what? What could you be going through on a Sunday morning? That's all right. So what are you going through? Maybe I can help.
Oh, and that was how he started explaining himself. He said many things, but believe me, I couldn't grab anything from all he said. He was saying a lot of things, and in fact, I barely heard him anyway because it was very low. Yeah, it was just that guy that doesn't talk loud somehow. So, okay, my question was, what are you going through? What is the problem? Maybe I can help. Then he was like, honestly, this and that, my life. He almost cried when he was explaining himself. And honestly, I had to understand. I had to not like I don't have any other thing to do. Like, I have my kids, they are somewhere waiting for me, but I just had to connect with this guy. It's an opportunity to be a blessing to him. Yes, because it's very important to know when to chip in the gospel or invite people to church. So I saw this as an opportunity to just invite him to church.
What's the name of nice meeting.
But I had to make sure that I bring him to the same place where I go to. So
I will definitely do
just give it a try. Can I have your number?
So that was how I ended up collecting his number, and it was that easy. Like, people can be hard with their phone numbers, but you see, through this means I was able to get it, and he was happy. Can't you see? Like, and this was the end of our story. Okay, ladies, this is exactly how to win a guy on Sunday. Sometimes you can just be intentional about bumping into him just to get his attention and talk to him. Yeah, even when he's not going through anything. So you can be skillful about this. Well, that's by the way. You can just reach out to people anyhow you prefer to do that. But I don't want to forget these lovely ladies who are behind the scene. Okay, just go ahead and share this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.